Hello, this is Nick from Dripper Labs with the second reason that we think you should join the community. What if you want to try the Dripper Labs products, but you don't have the time or perhaps the confidence to create your own recipe for your very first order? There are plenty of other flavours that you can try on the website without having to create your own. These are our 12 house flavours, and for each one you can click on the product page and learn more about its flavour profile. You can see that it uses the same ingredients that are available to you in your recipe book, but if you want to try them, all you need to do is configure your bottle and hit add to cart. In addition to those flavours, you can also go to Discover, which is the beginning of our community-inspired marketplace. So as well as seeing some of the featured creators and their profiles, you can also see the full list of available flavours that have been published so far. You can try them simply by clicking on the flavour and adding them to cart. So if you're interested in experiencing Dripper Labs but you don't want to create your own recipes, then there are plenty of tried and trusted flavours that you can buy and try for yourself.